Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking with Grace. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscription and bell button to get all my recipes I will be posting regularly. Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking with Grace. Today I am going to show you a traditional recipe which I have inherited from my great grandmother. I have not seen anyone making this recipe outside my family. Today I thought of sharing this secret recipe with you. It is better to buy rump peas so that there won't be any stringy flesh and we get nice clean meat pieces. Here I have cut this into 3-inch cubes, washed and dried off excess water. Then with a thick or heavy knife, tenderize the meat extremely well, turning all sides. Make sure you don't slice through the meat during this process. Then roll it up into balls and keep them aside. Unlike most meat stir fries, the beef is not marinated, but instead it is cooked and then fried. I advise you using a non-stick wok for this stir fry. So the meat tenderizing is over. Now we will powder these spices. Into the powder, adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. Mix all this well, adding 2 to 3 tablespoon water, 1 teaspoon salt, and make this into a paste consistency. Now we will add the prepared meatballs into a pressure cooker. In goes masala paste and mix it with hand. Now add just 2 tablespoon water. Close the lid and pressure cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. Since meat is tenderized, it will cook very fast. Okay, now the pressure is released. So let's do the frying process. Add 3 tablespoon coconut oil into a large non-stick pan and heat it over high flame. Make sure the oil is hot, then add the cooked beef pieces and its remaining gravy into it. Cook this on a high heat until the excess water is absorbed into the meat pieces. You can also check the gravy for salt and add if required. Now the water is almost absorbed, so reduce the flame to medium heat and stirring occasionally. Fry this until they are dark brown. This process will take about 20 to 25 minutes. This is the only time consumption. And also note that for this recipe we don't use usual masalas like ginger, garlic, onion, etc. But believe me, the taste is out of the world. Though it has crunchy texture outside, it is really soft inside like this. It can be refrigerated and preserve it for many days. As and when required, heat it up on a pan and serve hot or room temperature and enjoy this special beef fry. I'm sure you will love it.